Hello and welcome to DIY Parties and our quick start guide for using your silent disco equipment. We'll start off with the transmitters. We have two different types shown here, but we'll start off with the basic one. On this transmitter you'll see that there's two ports on the back. The bottom one is for power, so you can simply plug in the mains cable here and run the other end to your power supply. The other port is for plugging in your audio source. We'll supply you with a 3.5mm mini jack audio cable, but can also provide adapters for USB-C or Lightning connections if required. You simply have to plug in one end to your device and the other end into the transmitter. The only thing left to do is to select a channel on the back. Which one you pick isn't really important, just make sure if you're running multiple transmitters that they've all got different channels selected. That's essentially all there is to setting up the basic transmitter, so let's move on to the professional one. The process of setting up is basically exactly the same. You've got a power input on the front, along with a button and screen for selecting a channel. Again, this is only important if you're using multiple transmitters, as they'd all need to have a different number on. On the other side, there's an audio input. Simply plug in the red end of the supplied cable to the red port, and the black or white connector to the white port. There's also a switch on this side to turn the transmitter on and off, with high representing on. This adapter then just plugs into the mini jack audio cable like before, connecting your device to the transmitter. The other good thing about this transmitter is that it can be charged to be run from battery power, so you can remove the mains cable if you need to and play your music wherever you are. Just make sure that it's switched off until you need to use it to save the battery life. The actual headphones come folded up for transport, but pop open really easily. The ears are slightly adjustable, so should be a comfortable fit for anyone. Inside one ear you'll find two AAA batteries. We'll charge these up and put them in for you before your hire, so you shouldn't need to touch these. On the other ear you'll find a power button, which you can press and hold for about a second to turn on the headphones. A short press of this same button will cycle through the different transmitter channels if you're running more than one audio source, with each one represented by a different colour. There's also a small volume dial, so each user can set their own comfortable volume at your event. That's basically all there is to setting up the silent disco, but you'll find more detailed instructions and troubleshooting in your printed guide, which is also available on the relevant pages of our website. There's loads of different ways to use silent disco headphones to make your event stand out, so it's over to you. Enjoy!